Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can change some options for file handling inside preferences. So good news about Illustrator: when you open your Illustrator and start working on any artwork, suddenly your Illustrator is going to crash. So there we have this recovery method. Automatically your file is going to save, and when you open Illustrator again, so you can see the recovered file. So if you want to change some options for the file recovery with Illustrator, so you need to go to the preferences. You can change some options under file handling. So here under edit menu, I can click on preferences, which is file handling. I'm going to click at that, or you can hold Ctrl K to open the preferences and click on file handling. So the first thing with file handling, we have this file save options. We have automatically save recovery data every 2 minutes. If you click at this drop down menu, you can see we have 30 second, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, up to 1 hour. Personally, I recommend you should select between 1 minute to 2 minutes. It's going to go with this duration because it can save your file. You can see some errors, and better to go with less duration here. And we have the folder location. As you can see, the default location here, we have this C drive. You can click on choose. You can select any different location. And also we have turn off data recovery for complex documents, and we have this save in background and export in background. By default these options checked, but let me give you a brief description. What is complex documents? When you start working on any artwork and you apply effects on your artwork, so the simple artwork is going to convert to complex documents. So if you want to turn off this data recovery for complex documents, so you can uncheck these options. Along with that, you can just uncheck this save in background and also export in background. By default this option is turn on, so make sure you don't change anything right here. Maybe if you want to turn off it for complex document, if you need it, so you can uncheck this option. And some more options if you feel to change here, like you can go with 30 second, 1 minute. So you can change some options under file handling for file recovery. So we have some more options like files. You can see the number of recent files to display, so where you can find that. So I'm going to set that something like 20 and hit OK. So under file menu with open recent files, only I can see 20 recent files that I can click at that to open right here. So under file handling, you can set that up to 30 number of recent files you want to see it here with open recent files under file menu. So we have this optimize file open and save time on slow networks. If you want to open any document from a mapped network drive, so this option is already checked. Make sure you don't change anything, because if you want to open any .eps or .ai extensions from this mapped network drive, so here it's already optimized the file open and save time on slow networks. And we have this use low resolution proxy for linked EPS. So if you check this option and click on OK, so I need to go to the file, and here I need to place this eps. So we have this dot extension of dot eps. So I'm going to place this right here. So as you can see, we have the link for this eps, and also under file handling you can use a low resolution proxy for link ups. So I can uncheck this and click on OK. If you don't want to see this low resolution proxy for linked EPS, you can uncheck that, and you can just place any extension of .eps. And the link here, we have this, you can click on go to the link, and you can see some more options under file handling for that links as well. So we have display bitmap as anti-aliased images in pixel preview. If you want to display bitmap as anti-aliased images, so anti-aliased images in pixel preview, where you can find this pixel preview. So here we have this pixel preview. So if you open any bitmap images, so you want to go with pixel preview, and anti-aliased mean is going to apply this this kind of anti-aliased that is give you a higher resolution of the preview. So you can select that if you want to display bitmap as anti-aliased images in pixel preview. So you can check this option. And for the links of the EPS, here we have this update links. You can click on manually, you can select this automatically, and you can click on ask when modify. So better to go with automatically when you want to see any update links right here, and I can click OK. So now with the original file on the top, we have all the links. When it's going to change to the file, so you can see the preview of this automatically, this can be updated because we just selected this update links automatically. And we have use system default for edit original. So you can check this option. So where you can find this edit original, on the top we have. So if you open any document that is with .psd, so by default, if you want to not see that edit in Photoshop, you want to see edit in original, so under file handling, make sure you check this option, which is use system default for edit original. And also we have this option, which is fonts, auto activate Adobe fonts. So if you want to automatically activate Adobe fonts, which you're going to receive this Adobe fonts from Creative Cloud if you are going to join, so you can check this option to automatically activate all Adobe fonts. So this is how you can change all the options with file handling. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.